Hello everyone, in this video, let's explore some basic statistics that everyone should know. These concepts are useful for understanding data in various contexts, such as news reports, sports analysis, and everyday life situations. We will be covering the mean, the median, and the mode. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the mean, also known as the average. The mean is calculated by adding up all the values in a dataset and then dividing by the number of values. The mean is the most common measure of central tendency. It represents the typical value in a dataset by adding all numbers together and dividing by how many numbers there are. Here's the formula to calculate the mean. Mean equals sigma x divided by n. In simpler terms, it is the sum of all values divided by the number of values. Let's look at an example of how to calculate the mean. Suppose we have the test scores of 5 students: 85, 92, 78, 96, and 89. To find the mean, we first add up all the scores. 85 plus 92 plus 78 plus 96 plus 89, which equals 440. Next, we divide this sum by the number of students, which is 5. So, 440 divided by 5 equals 88. Therefore, the mean test score is 88 points. Now let's discuss the median. The median is the middle value in a dataset when all the values are arranged in ascending or descending order. It divides the data into 2 equal halves. Here are the steps to find the median. Step 1. Arrange the data in order, either from lowest to highest or highest to lowest. Step 2. Find the middle position in the ordered data. Step 3. If there is an odd count of data values, the median is the middle value. Step 4. If there is an even count of data values, the median is the average of the 2 middle values. Let's illustrate the calculation of the median with an example involving house prices. Suppose we have the following house prices in thousands of dollars: $250, $180, $320, $280, and $190. First, we sort these prices in ascending order: 180, 190, 250, 280, and 320. Since there are 5 values, which is an odd number, the middle position is calculated as 5 plus 1 divided by 2, which equals the third value. The third value in the sorted list is 250. Therefore, the median house price is $250,000. Next up is the mode. The mode is the value that occurs most often in a dataset. Unlike the mean and median, the mode can be used with both numerical and categorical data. There are different types of modes. Unimodal, where one value appears most frequently. Bimodal, where 2 values tie for the highest frequency. And no mode, where all values appear with the same frequency. Let's consider an example to find the mode. Suppose we have the following customer shoe sizes: 7, 8, 9, 8, 10, 8, 9, 7, 8, and 11. To find the mode, we count how many times each shoe size appears. Size 7 appears 2 times. Size 8 appears 4 times. Size 9 appears 2 times. Size 10 appears 1 time, and size 11 appears 1 time. Since size 8 appears most frequently 4 times, the mode is size 8. In summary, let's look at when to use each measure of central tendency. The mean is best for normal distributions without extreme outliers and can be used for income data, test scores, and temperatures. The median is best when the data has outliers or is skewed, and is useful for house prices, salaries, and age data. The mode is best for categorical data or finding the most common value, such as colors, sizes, and survey responses. Understanding these basic statistics helps in making informed decisions based on data in various real-world scenarios. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.